Hello, Professor C here. In ancient times, the Greeks believed that everything was composed of tiny particles which could not be divided. They call these particles atoms.
Today, scientific research has shown that there are many types of atoms. Each different type composes an element. Elements exist on their own, or they can combine with other atoms to form everything in the universe, all solids, gases, and liquids.
In modern times, scientists have identified smaller particles which make up the atoms. Now, chief among these are electrons, protons, and neutrons. All atoms have a center, which is called a nucleus. The centers, or nuclei, of all atoms have one or more protons and often neutrons. Atoms also have at least one electron which moves around the nucleus. Electricity is the movement of electrons. Now, some materials allow electrons to move from one atom to the next. They're called conductors because they conduct electrons. Atoms of conductors are said to be loosely held, and that means that the nuclei of these atoms don't hold the electrons in a tight orbit, and the electrons fly away from the nucleus of one atom to the orbit of the next atom. And this movement causes an electron from the orbit of a second atom to jump to the third, and so on. We call a stream of moving electrons electricity.